We are at the original Mount Vernon High School on Richmond Highway, and we're here to celebrate the first milestone of the adaptive reuse and redevelopment project at this location. And we'll be opening the South County Teen Center to give them a gym and an improved program for their use.
We operate the teen center across the street, and it's a vibrant teen center with lots of activity. They're doing lots of great things. But what is a teen center without a gymnasium? So this really provides us the opportunity to give the children and the teens in this community a well-rounded program that allows them to have fun, but also gives them the opportunity to develop into the leaders who will protect this, the building and the programming and the things that will eventually come out of this project.
We had an amazing group in here, Islamic Sani Academy. I think they took very good care of an old building that frankly needed a lot of care. But more importantly, we now have a chance to really return this fully to the Mount Vernon and Lee communities and frankly make a difference for all of us.
The timetable for this project is coming in phases, with the first one being the opening of the gym. The next one will have some Fairfax County uses and other users moving into the annex behind the school. And the long-term project for the overall school redevelopment and use of the property will occur in about 4 to 5 years.
As the building has gone through many stages, we now see it coming into a new stage, and it's a stage that I am optimistic about. It goes back to its roots, but it also goes to the future.
It's just been wonderful to see the kids be able to come over and get restarted in this gym. They get to play, they get to have after-school activities, they have teen center basketball, any use you can imagine. They're going to be able to come here and enjoy it recreationally and educationally.